Please rotate your phone. Open Lightroom. Don't skip this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like me. Add photo gallery. Open color mix. Adjust green color. Adjust hue. Please like me. Adjust saturation. Adjust yellow color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Adjust violet color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Adjust blue color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Click to done. Adjust vibrance. Adjust saturation. Download preset in description. Open Light Tools. Adjust whites. Adjust blacks. Adjust highlights. Adjust exposure. Open effects. Adjust texture. Adjust vignette. Adjust midpoint. Adjust feather. Adjust highlights. Download preset in description. Export image. Please subscribe my channel. Please like me.